Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to another video. So today, as you can tell by the title, this is going to be an unboxing of a new shoe that I have just received. So basically a few videos back you would have seen me do an unboxing and also like a little review on the ADIDAS XPLRs or XPLRs. Watch the video and you'll get that joke. Basically, when I went to buy that shoe, originally I wanted NMDs. Now NMDs are expensive, so that is why I got the XPLRs. But shopping online on the weekend, I came across on the Hype website, they were having an online only sale. They had a pair of NMDs were only $99. So I was inquiring and then I was like, do you know what? I've always wanted a pair of these shoes. For $99, I was sort of already looking for a different shoe as well. I just thought, just buy them. So before I unbox them, I just wanted to show you why I want the NMDs over the XPLRs. Basically, because this is a casual shoe, which I was told originally, but still wanted them so badly. I can see in the sole all of these crease marks all around the sole. Sorry that they're so dirty, but that is because I'm constantly, well not constantly because I don't really work out, but every time I do any form of, you know, exercise or activity, I always wear this shoe. And you can just see throughout the sole, like the stress that's on the sole, I guess. And because it's not built for that, it's just a casual walking shoe basically. Yeah, the creases are just sort of annoying me. I know the NMDs have the Boost sole. I love the Adidas Ultra Boost shoes. However, again, they're very expensive, so not really in the price range that I was looking. But when I saw these come up, I was like, oh my god, I have to buy them. Arrived at my doorstep. It has been like so hard not to peek into this box because I wanted to show you guys at the exact same time that I was seeing them, but we already have an issue because on the website I was clicking size and it kept on changing it to unisex sizing. So in men's I'm a 7 and in women's I think that's a 9 in Adidas shoes. The box says men's 8, so it's already a size too big. So but this is the box that they come in, so just black Adidas sort of symbol. This is different to the originals box. The originals box is that blue with the white stripes, and I guess let's just see what they look like. Oh, I'm so excited but so like nervous. They're not gonna fit. Oh, you know how you buy something online and the color's totally different? Oh, okay. That's what they look like. Oh, you guys, that's it. I'm not in love with it. It looked like a really cool, like light grey beige. I don't know. Probably thinking, why do I get men's shoes? I really like them, but no, I don't know. I'll get the other one. So this is what they look like, which you can clearly tell I'm not excited. So these are, just so you know the code, if you do like these, they're the NMDs R2 in the color is grey slash birch. They're usually $209.95. I think these will be going back. Wow. Basically, that's like I got the Gucci shoes, I sold them and they're being posted today, the next day. and I get these and they're basically going to be taken back to the shop the next day. I'm not having much luck with shoes. Oh, let's try them on. So actually, look, this is the difference. So XPLR, Explorers and NMDs, how similar. Do you know what is so interesting? Looking at the two side by side, I actually prefer this shoe. Wow. Sizing, they actually look pretty similar. They're way too big. Like yeah, they're about a size too big. I actually think with these you can definitely tell that they are a men's shoe. They just seem very large on my feet. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm sorry that it wasn't that exciting after I saw them. If you do have NMDs, let me know your thoughts on them and if I should exchange them for another pair or if I should just get a refund. And particularly if you do have the Explorers, I'd love to hear your thoughts on comparing them both, and also Ultra Boosts, because they are the other ones on my list. So if I can get my hands on them on sale, are they worth it or are they not? But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys soon. Bye!